It's fun puppy time in the park. We're having a good day. It's fun out. It's beautiful. Hope you guys are enjoying your day too. See you soon.